So I also want to talk about this foam condos. Got it for $1, and what it is actually is foam, so it's very squishy. Okay, so Alright, so it's basically like this. It is a clown nose, but you're going to turn it into a squishy, so there will be a crack for your nose. But you can like glue that. Use a glue gun if you're going to glue it a little bit though. And like that hole you can also fill it with glue gun. I don't know. But it's really squishy, but it's kind of rough. It's not really soft like my other squishy. This is my other squishy. It's really soft, but this one isn't. It's kind of rough, but is squishy. Here. But yeah. So this one is for trade. I only have one, but I'll try to find one because they were selling this at school today. So but I'm going to make a tutorial on this one. I'm going to turn it into a donut actually, so look out for that. But that is all my trade offer. So deuce.